Sunday, 27th of October 2024. Packed in a hurry. Redacted gave me a lift to the train station. The train trip was a complete shemozzle. We got to Camperdown and then they said that there was a broken rail ahead. So we had to wait for buses to take us to Geelong and then take a train from there. The buses had to come from Colac, so we'd had to wait about an hour. The station building wasn't open and there wasn't other shelter, so once they closed the train, there wasn't shelter or toilets, so that was lovely. After 45 minutes wait, we got another 45-minute wait once we got to Geelong. I left Warrnambool at 11:30 a.m. and didn't get to Melbourne until 6:30 p.m. What a cluster munch. Checked into the hostel and freshened up a little. Went for a prowl to find some dinner. Got grilled. Got some bits and pieces at Big W's. Bed sheets, coat hangers with clips, to put a screen around my bed for privacy. I'm staying in a dorm room of 6 beds. This should be interesting. Went to bed, got an early start tomorrow to get to work bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Mood 7, energy 7, moods content. Grateful. I saw and said hello to YouTube's The Happy Diver on the train. I showed him my Happy Diver sticker on my water bottle and he gave me a replacement sticker. Lovely guy.